Hello, trumpet players. Let's work on line 14 together, rolling along. You may know it as Mary Had a Little Lamb. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to play it for you once so you get an idea what it sounds like, and then we will count the rhythm together. Then we'll say the letter names of the notes and push our fingers together, and then we will play the song together, okay? So why don't you go ahead and just listen to it first. Here's what it sounds like. Okay, so that's what it sounds like now. Let's go ahead and look at the counting of the song, saxophone, trumpets. And let's go ahead and see what we have here. We have quarter notes, the black circles with the stems, and they get one beat of sound. So we're going to say ta, give it 1 second or one beat. Ta on each of those quarter notes. There's a quarter note, there's a quarter note, there's a quarter note, there's a quarter note. It takes 4 quarters to equal one measure, just like it takes 4 quarters to equal $1. Okay, and then here's the next measure: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next measure. So every one of these boxes is in groups of 4. Okay, so we have quarter notes and we have quarter rests. We know that those are the one beat of silence, right? We're going to say rest on it. So let's count it together with me. Ready at the beginning? Just saying the word ta and rest. Here we go. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest, rest, rest. Make sure at the end we don't hold that last note too long. It's just a one beat note right there, and then we go rest, rest, rest. Let's count it one more time, okay? Be very precise where you put your counting. Try not to rush. Don't get there early, and don't get there late, okay? Here we go. Let's count it out loud. Ready? Go. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest, 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 and done. Notice a couple things here at the end of the song. This is a 2-line song, so when you see a single bar like this, that means just keep going. So go right on to the next line of music. When you see a double bar, that's like a stop sign. It means that's the end of the song, so please stop there, okay? So make sure you see the difference between those two. All right, so if you can count it, now we have to just say the letter names. And this might be a little fast for you to read it that quickly, so let's go ahead and go up here to where the speed is, 76. And let's slow it way down to maybe 56. Okay, let's take it down about 20 notches. And then let's count it out loud. And we need to know 5 different notes. We need to know the C, the D, the E, and actually there's no F in the song, and the G. So we only needed C's, D's, E's, and G's in this song. Okay? Notice the E is on the bottom black line. D is below the line. C has an extra line through it below there. That's the low C. And then your G is on the second line up. So please make sure you know these letter names, and you can read them by what line or space they're on. Okay? Let's say it together out loud. Good luck. Join me. Ready? Say the letters. Go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. D, 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 rest. E, G, G, rest. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. D, D, E, D, C, rest, rest, rest. I hope that's making sense. Now grab your trumpet, and we're going to go ahead and push the valves down together. Of course, first valve is the one closest to the mouthpiece. There's your second, there's your third valve. Let's say the letter names and move our fingers this time, okay? And you can just hold your trumpet normal, but I'm going to hold it up here like this so you can see my fingers as we do it, okay? All right, eyes on the music, please. Here we go. Say the letters, move your fingers. Go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. D, 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 rest. E, G, G, rest. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. D, D, E, D, C, rest, rest, and done. Did you notice, trumpets, when you have repeated notes, like 3 E's in a row, for example, like right here, that you don't need to take your fingers off and reset them down every single time. You can just leave them down if it's the same note 3 times in a row. Okay? All right, we're going to go ahead and play it. So grab your trumpet. And one thing to watch out for is right here. When you go from this E, fingers 1 and 2, to the open G, make sure you speed up your lips so it actually gets to the higher sound and doesn't sound like a low C by accident. We want to make sure we get up to the high note. Okay? All right, let's try it, trumpets. Here we go. Good luck to you. Don't forget to blow steady air and start every note by going 2, 2, 2 with your tongue. Okay? All right, let's do it. Big breath of air. Ready, ready, and breathe. Okay, and done. There it is. So if I would recommend you practice it at 56 trumpets, master it slowly first so you get right notes, because it does you no good to practice it fast and messy. Once it feels good slow, take it up to 66. And once it feels good there, then take it up to full speed, which is 76. Okay? And if you want to play with me full speed, just go back to the beginning of this video and you can play along with me there. Okay? All right, I hope that helps you, trumpet players. Good luck on line 14.